Hello friends, this video is about changing the shock absorbers of Force Gurkha and upgrading them from the stock ones to the renowned Bilstein shock absorbers. The process which I will be describing in the video is applicable for all Gurkhas till BS3. So if you have current BS4 or the BS6 versions, it may not be applicable to those. We will discuss each and everything in this video about the process, that is how to change those, also what parts do we need and how to procure those, since those are not available in our country, that those have to be imported, and the suitable modifications that also needs to be done if one desires to upgrade the shockers to the Bilstein ones and consequently have a much more planted ride and with the added benefit of much improved articulation, which is of great help in off-road conditions. Well, this particular video is about the change of front shockers only, even though I have changed all the 4 shockers and will soon come up with a video about changing of rear shockers after I launch this particular video. In the beginning, I have a special thanks to my dear friend Surjit, who is from Delhi and has wholeheartedly helped me in not only procuring the Bilstein shockers, R-glass and other related things, but also changing them literally on his own while driving all the way from Delhi to my small town Sangrur in Punjab. Coincidentally, today is also Teachers' Day, so for all practical purposes, Surjit has been a true guru for me in running this amazing machine. Well, most of the 4x4 enthusiasts already know about Gurkha, and from whatever experience I gained from all these years of ownership, I can say many people have at least heard about the name of a weird looking vehicle called Gurkha, even though they may not have seen it for real. I know many of the Gurkha owners, and all the Gurkha owners have their own stories. Today I will also give you a brief about my Gurkha story. I had purchased this amazing vehicle in March of 2015 and have almost driven it for almost 1 lakh kilometers since then. I have driven it across the rugged mountains of Himachal Pradesh, from the frozen arenas in the Spiti Valley, from the dusty terrains in Leh Ladakh to the remote areas in Jammu Kashmir, and also routinely on the farmlands of Punjab, where I have done real off-roading in the wherever it's required for my work, and also several off-roading excursions. Even though I have used Gurkha mainly for rally purpose, expedition purpose I should say. Well, Gurkha has served me really well for all these years, and now it was a high time to gift something to Gurkha. Initially, I had planned to gift the Bilstein shockers when my Gurkha completed 5 years, that's in March. However, since the lockdown almost came in effect, so those derailed my plans, and now you can say that I have gifted them at 1 lakh kilometers. With the help of Surjit, I had ordered these Bilstein shockers from USA, and I was really amazed with the super quick delivery from the other side of the world. But then the installation had to be delayed for long due to COVID. I'll give you details about how to order these Bilstein shocks, which is the best method to order these, and also the part numbers and other things later. So in the forthcoming video, you will see how to install the front shock absorbers of Bilstein in Gurkha. Please do subscribe my channel, my earnest request to all of you, as I'm just a newbie, and also do like and share my videos so that I get out of my laziness and keep on posting more and more interesting videos about Gurkha and other related rustic adventures. And friends, let the action begin. These are my Bilstein shockers that I had ordered from Amazon.com. This is a German firm, German manufacturer, but these shockers were assembled in USA, and also I had imported these from USA. Since there was a lot of noise on the main road, so I am muting the original sound and adding my voice in the background. You can see the part number, the particular series that is required for my Gurkha. This is Surjit's Gurkha, and here is Surjit himself working out on the shockers, carrying out suitable adjustments. That I had ordered again from Amazon.com, 3x4. ਤੇ ਦੇਸੀ ਕੰਮ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਵੀ ਉਰੇ ਮਕੈਨਿਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਤੂਫਾਨ ਵਰਗੀ ਗੁਰਖਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ For preparing the front shockers, actually you have to remove the original bushes that come with these Bilstein shockers, because they won't adjust in the holders on the vehicle. So either you have to modify the mountings or simply change the bushes. Since we had also ordered the 3x4 inch hourglass bushes from USA, so we will be installing those by removing those. First you have to remove the existing ones, and that our mechanic is doing, as you can see in this video. And after removal of the bush, Surjit Paji is also trying, and let us see who will succeed. And this is the method in which you have to remove the bushes, pre-installed bushes, and that has been removed by Surjit Paji. And now this is the difference. You can see in the video the difference between the two. Now mechanic has applied a bit of grease both inside and to the new bush, and easily it gets in the bush, gets in the shocker. ਹੁਣ ਵੀਡੀਓ तेज करके देख लीजिए. Same process is being repeated on the other shocker. So both of our shockers are now ready. First you have to remove the bumper. We have already done it. And then both wheels need to be removed. We are under process. And next, the most critical thing for the front shocker, apart from the replacement of the bush, is to lift the torsion bar. And it has to be lifted from this point. Similarly, this is the bar and this is the point.
नीचला बस आई
ਚੱਲ ਜੀ
आपने दी दो
ਬਸ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਵੱਡਾ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ We have also replaced the buffer for the suspension arm with the Matador one, which is much larger in size. that in case of enhanced travel of the shocker, it can absorb the impact. बफर सी ਜਿਹੜੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਰੋਂ ਕੱਢ ਕੇ ਪੂਰੇ ਪਾਇਆ ਠੀਕ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਦੇ ਐਗਜ਼ਿਸਟਿੰਗ ਬਫਰ ਸੀ ਬੜੇ ਛੋਟੇ ਜਿਹੇ ਸੀ ਇਸ ਸਾਈਜ਼ ਦੇ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਟਾਡੋਰ ਵਾਲੇ ਘੱਟੋ ਘੱਟ ਇੰਨੇ ਸਾਈਜ਼ ਦੇ ਫਾਈਨਲੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਰੈਡੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਸਾਡੀ ਪੰਪਰ ਹਜੇ ਫਿੱਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਦੇਖੋ ਟੋਰਸ਼ਨ ਬਾਰ ਚਕਾਈ
ਇਹ ਤੋਂ ਉੱਪਰ ਤਾਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਜੋ ਹੋਣੀ ਕਰਨੀ
ਇਹ ਲਾਗੇ ਬਿਲਸਟਿਨ ਸਾਡੇ ਅੰਦਰ
ਜਿਵੇਂ ਸਿਰੇ ਤੇ ਲਾ ਲਓ
ਉਹਦੇ ਲਾਗੇ ਬਿਲਸਟਿਨ ਆ ਵੀ ਦੇਖ Now I am sharing with you the part number of the shock absorbers. One thing to note is that all 4 shock absorbers are same. In this video we have seen how to install the front 2 shock absorbers, and also I am sharing you the part number of the bush that is required for front shockers only. This bush is required just for the front 2 shockers, and I had ordered these from Amazon.com. That is from USA, and the good thing is these are still available on the Amazon, and they costed a pair costed me around 23,000, more than 23,000 rupees, since I had to pay for the import duty as well as the shipping charges. So friends, this is all about the front 2 shockers replacement, and if you like this video then please do subscribe my channel and also like and share the video. Thanks.